Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use and apply adaptive display on Samsung F70e 5G. The adaptive display technology uses a combination of hardware and software components to analyze the visual data and adjust the display settings. Simplified overview of the process, content analysis, display adjustment and many more for your smoother functioning of your Samsung phone. Tap on settings of your Samsung Android and here choose display. Here go to motion smoothness and here you will find two options, adaptive and standard. Adaptive display having function auto brightness. The technology can adjust the brightness of the display based on the ambient light condition. Color enhancement. The technology can enhance the color accuracy and vibrancy of this display. Contrast ratio. The technology can adjust the contrast ratio of the display. Eye care. These are the benefits of adaptive display. Improved viewing experience, increased battery life, enhanced color